Hello traders. The title of the video is day trading gambling? All right. Have you been asking that question? Do you think that day trading is gambling, or do you think that gambling is day trading? Are you a gambler, or are you a day trader? Or are you a gambler that becomes a day trader? All right, let's get started. Is day trading gambling? As you already know, all right, day trading is not gambling. Though sometimes day traders are day trading like a gambling, and sometimes gamblers are coming to the financial market gambling as a day trader. But day trading is not gambling. Let's begin the demonstration. The reason why day trading is not gambling is because we work with market principle. A day trader is not just buying and selling for no reason. He or she understands the price action because the price is the number one indicator. He or she also understands that, okay, his trading method, his decision to buy or sell, is based on the market principles, price structure, price patterns. All right? And with that day trader is not gambling. He or she is making intelligent day trading decision. We usually gamble when we don't understand something. So you buy a lottery ticket, you got 49 numbers, you have to select 6 winning numbers. How do you know the 6 winning numbers? Can you explain to me how you selected those 6 winning numbers? You can't explain it. If you are telling me something, it's just blah, blah, blah. You don't know. So you select 6 numbers, you cross your fingers. Sometimes people cross their legs, their arms, and their hairs. All right. After crossing all those, all right, sometimes you get 3 winning numbers, or 2 winning numbers, or 4 winning numbers, or 5 winning numbers, because you don't understand how the numbers come out. All right. Otherwise, one day you should be able to win the jackpot if you understand. Okay. The gambling, you should be able to win the jackpot 2 or 3 times. So what is happening, the reason why day trading is not gambling is that a day trader can take 5 trades per day. All right? So that day trader, depending on his experience, can have 3 winning trades out of 5. Excellent. Or 4 winning trades out of 5. Or a day trader can have all 5 winning trades. So it's not it's not gambling. It's not gambling. All right? It's not gambling. Otherwise, he can't do it. He can't do that. Okay? So we work with market principle, market pattern, price structures, principle that are in the financial market that can help us to make decisions. So we know something before it is happening. We are also working with what we call probability. All right? High probability. Things that are working in the financial market. Can you tell me now the 6 winning numbers that are coming frequently? No, you can't. You can say this number is coming, number 49 come quite often, number 29 come quite often, and so on. But no. But we can tell you there are patterns in the financial market that are making money for people. Those are what we call high probability trading setup. So I want to give you one example that happened, a day trading example that happened on Friday the 31st of May 2019, because today is the 1st of May. I'm recording this video on Saturday the 1st of May 2019. On Friday yesterday, people were day trading Ecolab Incorporated, EPIC ECL, Eco Charlie Lima, belonging to the basic material sector. So this is the candlestick bar on a daily chart. See, it was bullish. It went up. Okay. Okay. So day traders were day trading that day. Okay. So the day traders are working with market principle, market patterns, price structures. So we understand, if you look at this chart on the daily chart, we can see that there was a consolidation and the price was consolidated. So it went down, it went down, it came down, it went down, it went down, it went down, it came down here. All the day traders know that this is a consolidation that is taking place here. They are not gamblers. They know that this is a consolidation. Now, those day traders who understand also the market geometry will know that if the price is out of a channel, we must project the width of the channel. So they will measure the width of the channel and project it in the direction of the price right there. So once this candlestick bar price come out of that first channel here down, we know that it has a high chance before even do it. It has a high chance to turn around here. At this level here is a key level, you see now. Did it turn around here? Yes, it came down all the way to touch it here, and then it turned around here. So we knew something before it happened. So you cannot say that we are gambling. Gambling, you can't know before it happened. Otherwise, you are not gambling. Here we can talk to a certain degree about a certainty, but it's not 100% certainty. We use the word like a high probability trade setup. You see? So now we have a bigger channel, which is here. The top of the bigger channel, this is the base of the bigger channel. We have a smaller channel here before. So yesterday, 31st of May 2019, the price did open there. You see the line that I have mentioned here? That key level is a support level. How do we know? The price action, that's what we are saying. The price structures, the price pattern, the market principle allow us to make intelligent decisions as day trader. Therefore, we are not gambling. It turned around here, yes, and the price went down, it turned around here. So this is support. Came down, turned around here. This is a support. We can't deny it. No one can deny that. It's a support. So 31st of May, we are at the support level. So what I say today, trader, is that be ready to buy and be ready to sell. This is again the reason why I say that. And I say, George, you're always saying that. What do you mean by that? Well, it means that you don't want to gamble. So the gambler is betting that the price will go down. So he's not interested to buy at all. So he is not ready to buy at all. He's betting, fingers crossed, arm crossed, leg crossed, hair crossed, that it will go down. He's not interested to buy. So by saying priority to bullish signal above and priority to bear signal below, we prepare our mind for both scenarios. Though we may expect it to go up, though we believe that it may go up more, though after looking at the price action, the price structure, and using the market principle, we think that it has more chance to go up, it doesn't exclude the fact that we should be prepared to sell also. That's why we say to traders, priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below, to avoid adopting the mindset of a gambler. So you come, you just buy, you say, yeah, this thing is just going to go up. Sometimes day traders are doing that. This thing is just going to go up today, and I'm just going to buy it now. Well, sometimes it may work as you predicted it, all right? Sometimes it may not, but that's not the best approach. The best approach is to be ready for both scenarios. So because we are at a support level, so we say priority to bullish signal above 181, and priority to bearish signal below that. Yes or no? So the market is open, so we go to a lower time frame, monitoring the price action. I'm on a 3-minute time frame, so we are here. We know that this is where we were, 181. This is the key level. You see here, we can see on the 3-minute time frame. So it starts going up. You remember what I said to you that day trading is not gambling. It is what? a method that relies on high probability, that relies on market principle, market pattern. So, so it start going up. So again, you understand? Start going up. So if it's going to continue to go up more, we will see what? Higher lows and higher high. The best day trading technical indicator is what? The common central line. So if it goes up and pull back and the common central is broken, day trader will try to buy it. So anytime the price form a new higher high followed by a higher low and the common central is broken, day trader will buy here. So this is just market principle, price going up by displaying higher lows and higher, price going down by displaying lower low, lower high. If you form a new lower low, followed by a lower high, and a common central is broken, well, we will sell it. You see? So now I'm just quoting the theory of practical trading to you, all right? If the price is in a rising channel on any time frame, and it come out of the rising channel, we must highlight the highest high that it has achieved in that channel. If it come out of the channel and couldn't go back above that high that it has exhibited in that channel, it's telling us that that bullish momentum is diminishing or it may slow down before going up again. But we know that it's slowing down. So day traders were buying on a 3-minute time frame, understanding the language of the price, and here it came out of the channel, they know that, okay, it's slowing down. Will it continue? This high here is stuck below it. Find a resistance here, find a resistance here. So, if find a resistance here, if it's coming a second time here, if find a resistance, you'll be interested to sell it. Now you see, so I'm explaining to you how they trade this one. Now you see also the advantage of being prepared to buy and sell in your mind. Sometimes a trader may come into the market, a day trader may come and say, I want to sell. George, this thing is going down. I look on the monthly chart, look on the yearly chart. Nothing wrong. You've done your homework, you think it's going to go down, but be prepared also to buy. Sometimes you sell, suppose you're here and say, all right, they try the thing that is going to go up. Here they are stuck below the moving average 200, so you sold it here. Okay? Now they take you out. Okay? You try to sell it here again, they took you out. Now the price is going up now. So sometimes it's better to change your quote. If the price is going up, you will be in a rising channel, coming higher, low, higher, high, and you want to use the common central line. All right? Until it come out of the channel. We work with market patterns. So day trading is not gambling. We are working with market pattern. We are working with market geometry. We are working with price structure. We are working with, technical indicators. All right? We can even forecast the price before it happens. Now, a gambler cannot forecast anything. He can only guess it. There is a difference between guessing and forecasting. The forecasting is more about probability, higher probability. We are not talking about certainty. We are talking about probability, expectation that something is more likely to take place. It's like a weather, all right? It's like a weather. So sometimes they say to you, today is going to be very sunny, and the whole day is raining. It doesn't mean that the forecast is wrong. They know how to read the weather, but that particular day, they were wrong. The weather was different. But the following day, they may forecast it correctly, consistently. In trading, we are forecasting the price action. We are making decisions using the price action. We know something. We understand something. A gambler does not know anything about the result that is likely to take place. Or you may say horses. This horse is the best one. All right. Maybe a little bit we can give credit to that you have experience with that. All right. But when we are talking about lottery numbers, how do you know the 6 winning numbers? All right. So day trading is not gambling, and gambling is not day trading. A day trader may day trade like a gambler, alright, which is not good, and a gambler may start day trading, gambling in the financial market, which he shouldn't do. If you are addicted to gambling, it's time to seek professional help urgently. Alright, gambling is just about hoping and trying to cut corners. This is what people do. People are cutting corners. They want to go ahead, they get excited, they got false expectation. In trading, we do not have false expectation. We are ready to buy, we are ready to sell, we are working with market principle. So here it is. This is one example here. He was in a rising channel. This is the high that he has achieved before. Come out of the channel, we say, all right, if this thing need to continue more, you must go above this one. You see, it didn't go above it yet. Now, it started going horizontal, you see. So we know that people are buying here. These are probability. It's not certainty. Probability. So we are using tools like common sense to make decisions accordingly. All right? I told you also, as we started everything from the daily chart, we know that the price was at a support level. So we say priority to bullish signal above 18183, priority to bear signal below it. We understand something, talking about the price structure, talking about the market pattern, the horizontal channel, and we understand something about the uptrend and the bullish momentum. And with that combined, we are making decisions. So when a day trader say, I want to buy, he's not just looking at his money and say, oh, now there is a green candle, I think that is going to go up, I want to buy. No. He has interpreted the price, and now he's making a very intelligent decision to buy, and that's why he is also using what we call stop loss. A gambler does not have a stop loss. All right, maybe they have now with the internet, all right, method to control their losses. But this is it. Day trading is not gambling, and gambling is not day trading. Are you a gambler? Are you a day trader? Are you a day trader that is gambling in the financial market? Or are you a gambler that is day trading, gambling in the financial market? Are you addicted to day trading? Are you addicted to gambling? Let us know in the comment section. So this will conclude our discussion today about is day trading gambling. If you have any question, suggestion, complaint, lament, please let us know in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader, Digi2, Digi4 Stock Trader. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Facebook, and Twitter. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about is day trading gambling? No and no and no. Day trading is not gambling.